Welcome to Transformation Tuesday, where each week we dive into the extraordinary aspects of our ordinary world. Today, we're peering into the riveting reflections between land and sea creatures and unveiling the sacred symmetry within. Get ready to explore a narrative that swims deep into the spiritual significance of animal duality and surfaces with a fresh perspective on the world we inhabit. Title: Sacred Symmetry, Unveiling the Unity of Land and Sea. In the grand mosaic of life, there exists a hidden harmony, an echo between the creatures of the deep blue and those that tread upon the earth. It's a pattern sewn into the fabric of existence, where the spider's delicate web finds its mirror in the crab's undersea dance, and the scorpion's armored grace echoes the lobster's clawed poise. But why do these parallels stir our souls? And what can they teach us about the unseen threads that connect all living things? As we delve into the sacred texts and ancient traditions, we discover a principle as old as time: as above, so below. It is a belief that suggests a profound unity between the macrocosm and the microcosm, a cosmic principle that governs the balance of the universe and is mirrored in the symmetrical lives of land and sea animals. Consider the crab and the spider, both architects in their realms. The crab's claws sculpt the ocean's bed, while the spider weaves threads into intricate traps. Here, we witness a natural symmetry that transcends their habitats and hints at a universal pattern that holds the world in balance. This harmony is further illuminated by the ancient words of Leviticus, which offer more than mere dietary laws. They speak of spiritual discernment, of choosing the nourishing over the detrimental, echoing the larger spiritual order of our universe. But what of the shrimp and the roach, both scavengers of their domains, yet one is feasted upon while the other is shunned? Or the rat and the squirrel, similar creatures with starkly different fates in the eyes of humankind? These dichotomies challenge us to question our perceptions, to ponder the inner significance of outer forms. They are a call to witness the interconnectedness of life, where the physical is a reflection of the spiritual, and every creature, no matter its guise, has a role in the dance of existence. So, as we journey through this exploration of land and sea, we're reminded of the spiritual essence that binds all life. The armored scorpion and the clawed lobster, though dwelling in different realms, share a lineage that stretches back to ancient seas and speaks to the unity of all life forms. In embracing this unity, we open our minds to the profound wisdom that resides in the natural world. The biblical texts guide us not only in our physical nourishment, but in our spiritual enlightenment, teaching us to discern with wisdom, to honor the sanctity of life, and to see the sacred symmetry that exists in the most humble of creatures. Today's transformational journey uncovers the sacred symmetry within and without, a testament to the unbreakable bond between the world we see and the greater cosmos we are all a part of. It's a narrative that weaves together the threads of science, spirituality, and the ancient wisdom of our ancestors, revealing a truth as relevant today as it was at the dawn of time. Thank you for joining us on Transformation Tuesday. If today's journey has opened a new door of perception for you, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep the spirit of curiosity alive, and may your days be filled with wonder and unity.